Today everyone, I'm Jomar Guzman. my my topic is activity number 2. If you will go back in time, historical mechanical device, then uses in the discussion will you explore or use? My answer is, if I could go back in time, I will explore the tabulating mechanic invented by the Harmon Hallard in the late 18th. This mechanic uses ports card to pressures and organize data for the 1890 under states consensus. It was important because it made data processing which faster and more efficient compared to manual counting. Hallard's invention showed how mechanics could handle large amount of the information which is a key information, which is the key function of the modern computers, is what later contributed to formation of IBM and the development of the modern data process system.